to make you whole. From North Park down to Baltimore Ave, Nano's got the heat that you gotta have. Fried to perfection, it's the real hot deal. One bite in and you know it's real. From West Philly love to Santa City vibe, get your order in. Feel the fire alive. Nano's hot chicken, turn it up loud. We bring the crunch, we bring the crowd. Order online or come take the ride. Nano's Hot Chicken Co, we serve it with pride. University City, you know it's hot. Grilled, fried, spicy, give it all you got. Temple nights or Penn game days, get your chicken fix in the hottest way. Home delivery, yeah, we got you. Order with a click, let the fire come through. Visit the branch or chill at home. With Nano's flame, you're never alone. North Philly, get that bite. South Street, feel that light. Delaware County, don't think twice. Nano's chicken, fire and rib spice. Order now, feel the burn. Nano's is where the legends turn. Nano's Hot Chicken, come take the heat. Crispy, juicy, can't be beat. Go to Nano's Hot Chicken Co. Your flavor, your fire, let's go. Order now, feel the burn. Nano's is where